crossed. We got a eastbound train coming, chugging up the old man. See what we got. By a coal the way it's chugging and rolling some coal. Yeah, it's rolling coal. $9.67. Finally going off a little bit. Went out a week ago to Chase 4014 in Indiana. Had a wedding out farther west. Just got back slow afternoon. Gonna go out to need to mow the grass because it hasn't been mowed in a little over a week, about 10 days. And we've gotten some rain. Slowly chugging up the old main. Missed a couple headers unit. 1900, what I call old mustard. Some people call it burnt mustard. Came through on Thursday and went back yesterday or early this morning. I wasn't home to catch it. It sounds like a train's a-coming. I think we got some DPOs. Might be the long 200 car load. mentioned, with on the Cumberland cam or the camera at Shen Junction. So I don't know what's up ahead. So we get some Heritage units still, but probably just a couple more Gevos. Like they're rolling some coal too. Number 812, 3208. God, it's a bit thick up here. Camper's still down there. Get out and see what my blueberries are doing. Do I have anything worth picking? Tank's almost full. There's only a handful of blueberries. There's bushes right there that normally they're loaded this time of year, but frost got them this year. A couple of the other smaller bushes have a couple, but my main bushes took a pass. Got a real bad frost beginning in May. Killed a bunch of them. Probably see the tail end. No, thought I saw the end of the train, but Not quite here yet. Okay, yeah, it's just past camper there. I'm turning my air conditioner on. One long heavy train. There we finally got the tail end. It's David Moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and press the hot button.